Hey everyone, welcome to the first episode of Modular Creations, a series where I take my autonomous obstacle avoiding robot and with minimal changes, I transform it into an entirely new build. The idea here is simple: reuse, repurpose, and reprogram. No rebuilding from scratch every single time. This little guy started out as a basic obstacle avoiding robot. Check out that video, link in the description. But today, we're giving it a whole new personality. It's going to follow you. Here's the plan. We're gonna purpose the ultrasonic sensor right here to look left and right using a standard servo motor that's below the ultrasonic sensor. And the continuous rotation servo motors right there are gonna stay as the drive motors, and the brain, it is still the Arduino Uno board. The goal: use distant readings to detect where a person is in front of the robot and move towards them. Let's go over the hardware really quick. So I have an Arduino Uno, or you could use the Arduino Nano. I prefer the Arduino Uno. It's bigger, it has more pins, it's easier to use. I have two continuous rotation servos right here. Wow, this angle looks pretty cool. As you see, they turn these gears that end up turning the wheels, so there's the drive. And I have one standard MG90 motor that turns the ultrasonic sensor, HCSR04, and I have a 9-volt and a 5-volt battery pack. I also added these cool looking battery display modules. Let me power it up. First let me show you the voltage display module. Right now it's giving a reading of 4.73 volts, and this is a 5-volt battery module, so that's pretty accurate, pretty close. And this is the battery display module. It looks pretty cool and it's really useful. So you should add these to your builds. Here's how it works. Every few moments, the sensor sweeps left, then center, then right. Every single time, it measures distances in each direction. Whichever direction gives the shortest reading, which ideally should be a human standing in front, the robot turns towards that direction and moves forward. If the person moves, the robot rescans, recalculates, and adjusts where it's heading. And I added a feature called dynamic turning. So, say it scans left, forward, and right. The person is on the left, okay? So, say the wall is the person, or no, my hand is this person. So while it's turning, if it does a 90-degree turn, it won't go towards my hand. So what I did is, it will look straight while turning, and say it's turning, then when it sees my hand, then it'll immediately stop and go forward. So this dynamic turning doesn't turn too much and miss the person. Let me show it to you in action. This is just the beginning. I have a plan to make this even better, and I'm already working on it. If you like this build or want to follow the full modular series, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know what transformation you'd like to see next. See you in the next one, and stay tuned for part 2.